With the polling for Lok Sabha general elections set to take place on 7th May in Gujarat, the Election Commission has started the polling from home drive while adhering to the motto, "Every vote counts." The ECI officials are visiting the houses of senior citizens and differently abled people, for whom reaching the polling station to vote is challenging, and collecting their votes. The process of voting at home for senior citizens and differently abled voters began on 24th April and is scheduled to continue until 27th April. A total of 721 voters above 85 years of age and 45 disabled voters from the Ahmedabad West Lok Sabha seat will be able to cast their votes at home. Similarly, 218 senior voters and 36 disabled voters from the Ahmedabad East Lok Sabha seat will participate in the Festival of Democracy by voting from home. In Ahmedabad district, the electoral system is facilitating elderly and differently abled voters to exercise their right to vote by arranging for voting at their homes according to their assembly seat. Senior citizens and differently abled voters have expressed their gratitude to the election system for enabling them to vote comfortably from their homes. Additionally, they are urging voters to participate regularly in the electoral process. Ahmedabad District Election Officer and Collector, Ms. Praveena DK, stated that election officials and employees are visiting the homes of elderly and disabled voters to collect their votes. Special vigilance is being maintained during this voting process to ensure compliance with the guidelines of the Election Commission and to uphold complete secrecy. He further emphasized that the district election system is committed to providing flexible arrangements for elderly and disabled voters in the Ahmedabad city district to cast their votes.